Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how you can directly send any of your Canva designs you created in Canva. You can send your design straight from Canva to iMessage. This way, you can save time. You don't need to download your designs from Canva and then upload them to iMessage. You can do it directly. So, to do that, go to the Share option and go to See All. And here you'll find the iMessage option. You can also send it directly to WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. But today, we will be sending to iMessage. Just click on it, and it says to use the Canva mobile app to share this on iMessage. You just need to scan the QR code once, and after that, you won't need to scan it again. You can directly send any designs to iMessage without scanning the QR code again. So, for the first time, you need to scan the code, but after that, you won't need to scan the QR code for other projects. So yeah, that was a simple tutorial on sending any designs from Canva directly to iMessage within a few seconds.